Hi, back again looking at our Lumens TR1. As with all the Lumens, I don't know if I've mentioned, they have a 5-year warranty. So this camera has two cameras built in it. It's a tracking camera. We have a 112-degree panoramic camera down the bottom, and we have a 71-degree PTZ camera up the top. And it has a variety of different tracking mechanisms which I'll run through. We also have SDI, HDMI, USB, and Ethernet IP outputs on the camera. So I've got a couple of the tracking ways it tracks on here in a small video, which might be easier to explain with our Trinity tracking system. So we have a stage tracking, we have an everywhere tracking, and we have a partition tracking, as you can see here. So, and they work both with the panoramic and the PTZ. So the stage tracking, you can use the wide angle panoramic camera down the bottom in combination with the PTZ. You'll see it here with an everywhere tracking happening as well, showing the presenter on there. The other thing that's important to mention is we do have blockout zones and also partition tracking as well. So you can have it so you can walk up to the screen and it can be set to automatically zoom in further. And if your stages people's heads in there, you can actually have that as a blockout zone. That's really important to know, because sometimes you might have a tracking camera set up, and when it's set up, you might actually have monitors playing content at the back, and you don't want that to be tracked. So you set that as a blockout zone, and it won't be picked up by the automatic tracking mechanism. If it fails, we can also roll back to a standard presets, but it does do a very good job of tracking, and it does have multi-person tracking. And if you are testing this, you can actually put it into an engineering mode where it will actually show the tracking mechanism so you can see just how well it's actually working in the setup.